Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to recover deleted Snap memories, messages, stories and pictures on your Snapchat. So if you want to recover that, what you have to do is first of all you have to open up your Snapchat application, and after opening your Snapchat application, now you have to tap on the profile icon which is on the top left corner of your screen. And after that, now you have to tap on the gear icon which is on the top right corner. And now you have to scroll all the way down, and here you can find my data. Just tap on that option, and after tapping on that option, now you have to enter the email address which you would like to recover the data from. So just enter an email address, and now you have to enter the password of the email address which you have entered previously. And after entering your password, now you have to select the data that you would like to recover. So now you can check all these options that you would like to recover from, and after checking all of that, you have to tap on the next option which is on the bottom right corner of your screen, and now you have to tap on submit. And after tapping on submit, here you can see Snapchat is creating a copy of files. You will receive an email when your export is ready. So what it basically means is you will receive an email address from Snapchat on your email where you will have all the data that you want. So you can easily go and install that data. So that is how to recover deleted Snapchat memories, messages, stories and pictures. So if you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.